Children are now among some of the worst affected from Sri Lanka's economic crisis, according to the United Nations. With more than 6 million people struggling to feed themselves, a growing number of families are having to sacrifice education in a bid to keep costs down. Some now face the impossible choice of which of their children to send to school, as Ishara Dana Sikara reports from Colombo.
The school day begins before dawn in Colombo. Malki gets ready as usual, but today is different. She's going back to class for the first time in nearly 2 months. The cost of food, uniforms and stationery means education is now a luxury. Priyantika finds it hard to decide which child can go today. Malki's younger sister lays in bed, upset it's not her.
කන්න බොන්න දෙන්න තාත්තෙන් නැහැ ඉස්කෝලේ අරගන්න විදියක් නැහැ. දවස් පාම ඉස්කෝලේ ගිය මේ ළමයි. මට මෙයාව අරගන්නවත් කමක් නැහැ.
They are not unique. 2 in 5 households now spend more than 75% of their income on food, and sacrifices are made. Malki's journey to school is now longer on foot, but she's just happy to return. Education is free in Sri Lanka, but meals aren't provided. Aid agencies are donating food to some schools, but teachers say it's not nearly enough.
Recently, we've seen instances of our students fainting during the morning assembly. After identifying the problem, we started our own food program. Our teachers started bringing an extra food parcel. We collect them all and distribute to those who very much need it.
While classrooms are quieter, education charities like this one are full.
Sri Lanka's economic crisis has cut through every layer of the society, down to the youngest. With more and more students unable to attend class, it's down to charities like this one to keep them going to school.
It provides breakfast and lunch, as well as books and healthcare, but it's hard to meet demand.
They give us food, buses to go home. They give us everything, so now we can study.
Returning home after school, Malki tells her family how she enjoyed seeing her friends, but she doesn't know when she will return. She's now part of a generation bearing the brunt of the crisis and at risk of being left behind. Ishara Dana Sikara, BBC News, Colombo.